Okay, coming to the next questions. F is mapping from Z to Z defined by f of x is equals to x square. Checking the injectivity and surjectivity conditions. So see here, f is mapping from Z to Z, and first one 1 f of x is equals to f of y. This implies x square is equals to y square, and x can be taken as plus or minus y. So both are coming. X is equals to plus or minus y, and it can be taken as x is equals to plus y, or x is equals to minus y. Because if we consider y as a positive or negative, plus y minus y both are belongs to z. So y is taken as positive and minus y is also going to be integer, that is also belongs to integers. So x will take up both the values, both the images, plus y and minus y. So it is taking two images. X is taking two images. This implies f is not 1 If you are getting only x is equals to y, then it is okay, 1 case. But x is equals to minus y is also coming. That's why f is not 1 function. Then coming to the next, whether it is onto or not. Onto, for each y belongs to z, for each y belongs to z, for each y belongs to z. Now same way, y is equals to x square you make, y is equals to x square. This implies x is equals to plus or minus square root of y. X is equals to plus or minus y. Then for each y belongs to y, if y is a perfect square, if y is a perfect square, then you will get plus or minus square root of 5, square root of y. Then if y is equals to 5, then what about x? X is equals to plus or minus square root of 5, which does not belongs to integers. So if y is taken as y 5, then x is equals to plus or minus root 5 does not belongs to integers. If y is equals to 9 is a perfect square, then x is equals to plus or minus square root of 9 is equals to plus or minus 3. This is belongs to z, it is okay. But in this case it is not, in this case it is not. This implies for each y belongs to z, there does not exist x belongs to z such that f of x is equals to y, because we are not getting proper x in z for non-perfect square numbers. Okay. And in this way also we can come to understand, just we'll see how to understand with the graphical. And if you are having any such kind of the graph like y is equals to x square graph defining from total real number system to positive real numbers, then drawing a line parallel to x axis. So it is a condition, it is a condition for checking 1 okay. Drawing a line which is parallel to x axis, then in how many places graph is intersecting, line is intersecting the graph? It is intersecting the graph in 2 places, so that's why it is not 1 And y is equals to, generally x cube you take, y is equals to x cube. Drawing a line parallel to x axis, any place you can consider, and it is intersecting in only one place, so that's why it can be considered as 1 So it will be the, graphically we can check the condition for 1 Now coming to the next question, prove that f of x is equals to step x is not 1 and onto step function. So it is nothing but greatest integer function, greatest integer function, as we already known greatest integer function definition. Greatest integer function, greatest integer less than or equals to x. Now we'll see, coming to 1 case, coming to 1 f of x is equals to f of y we consider. This implies f of x is equals to step x and f of y is equals to step y, then step x is equals to step y, this cannot be said x is equals to y. Why we cannot say x is equals to y? Because step function 1.5 is nothing but integer 1 and step function 1.7 is equals to, it is also going to be 1. Now we'll see step x is equals to step y. Both the values are going to be 1, but how can you say this x is equals to y? Both are coming as 1, but this 1.5 will not be equals to 1.7. So that's why step x is equals to step y. This cannot be said x is equals to y. So in this case, you can say f is not 1 to 1. It is not the 1 1 function. Now coming to the onto case. So before coming to the onto, we'll go with the graph of the function. So this is your graph of the step function 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on, minus 1, minus 2 and so on, 1, 2, 3 and so on, minus 1, minus 2 and so on. Now 0 to 1, what are the values which are taken in between 0 to 1? This value can be taken as 0 itself. And at the time of 1, 1 to 2, 2 is not taken. From 1 to 2, at the time of 1 it is 1, at the time of 2 it is not taken. 1.5, 1.2, 1.7 and so on cases, you will get the value as 1. And 2 to 3, so this is your value, 2 to 3, 2 value you will get. And minus 1 to 0, 0 cannot be taken. Minus 1 to 0 time, you will get the value as minus 1. Minus 2 to minus 1, your value can be considered as minus 2. So this is a general graph of the function. And can we say it is onto or not? By the definition, for each y belongs to y. So y is nothing but r here. For each y belongs to y is equals to r. Now we'll see. This is nothing but your codomain. This is nothing but your codomain. This is considered as domain. It is x-axis and y-axis. And on the codomain, it is taking up the values of only integers. 0 is taken, 1 is taken, 2 is taken, minus 1, minus 2 and so on. All the integers are taken. But we are talking about for each y belongs to real numbers. Then for 3.2 belongs to real numbers. For 3.2 belongs to real numbers. No x is related to 3.2. Floating values are not related anyway. So no x is related to 3.2. Understand here it is 2 and 3. So consider 3.2, otherwise 2.2 you consider. 2.2 somewhere else. This is the value. 2.2 is not related to any particular x value. So that's why floating values you can take. Floating values are not the images of any elements of x. X is nothing but it is also going to be real number system only. So that's why f is not onto. So that's why f of x is equals to step x, greatest integer function is not 1 1, not onto.